Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got 3 HotWheels cars today. First we got the 1957 Chevy from HotWheels Bel Air series. Next we got is a Big Air Bel Air in pink, which I really like. Next then we got the same exact car but in gold, 57 Chevy. First we are going to open up the 57 Chevy in red, so let's pop it open. Third car in the series, Chevy Bel Air. Pretty cool car. So this week we're only gonna be opening GM vehicles. So yeah, okay, this is the first type of 57 in my collection. Look at that. I like how it feels. It feels kind of weird but feels kind of good, you know. So hold up, we gotta spin it. So guys, if you take a look at the car, it's got a very nice ruby red or cherry red. It also has some pretty cool art on the car, like white lines around the car, which is pretty nice. I really do like the white fat rings around the tires, which is really cool. Like, you know, the old, like, back then people used to make the tires look like this. It's pretty cool. And on the bottom of the car, it's all chromed out, which is pretty shiny. Then on the front, it's got a little bit blacker chrome, which is kind of weird. Pretty cool red, though. I like that color, though. It also has some mufflers on the side of it, and I really do like that, the white on the rim, which is pretty nice. So here it is. So our next car. Next car we got is the golden 57. So let's pop it open. I think I won't have that much to say about the gold 57 because it's the same exact car. So here it is, same exact car, just in gold. Look at that. It's still, oh, it doesn't, I don't think it has a hold up. Look, the bumper on the red one, the bumper is more dark and this one's more chromish. Oh, it's pretty cool. So the one in gold is pretty cool, I think. I like the gold one better, but I do like the red one. So same thing in gold. Here it is. Nothing really different except for the lines on it being black. And it also has a little gold line on the side, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Wow. Alright. Let's take a look at the next car. Let's take all the garbage on the other side. And then after for our last car is the Big Air Bel Air from Hot Wheels Bel Air series. Number 50, last car of the series. Oh, that was a clean open. Okay, here is the pink Big Air Bel Air. Pretty cool car. We did just talk about this car in a different video, but in a different color. Really do like the pink, the donut pink. Has some mufflers coming out of the top of the car. Has some pretty cool cyan chrome. And the bird on it is a different color now instead of... What color is the bird? Yeah, he was yellow, I think, but now he is blue, which is pretty cool. Number 22, Get Big Air. Chevy logo on the side of it. It has this little cool thing on the back. Look at that. Look at our little electric bolt on the side. The interior is also the cyan. But yeah, pretty cool chrome and donut pink. Look at that. So let's put them all here. So yeah. Yeah guys, the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out my game channel, Zamir Gaming 101, in the link in the description down below. So yeah. Hope you have a good day. Bye. Time for the cleanup crew. Still here? Bye. Bye.